Hello children, welcome back to my channel Studies Forever. Today let us study about lesson 2, the nuclear test. Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in a voice which sounded like she was ready for a fight. You already know, Anjali. Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things. Her mother replied firmly. See, here the girl Anjali, she asked her Amma, means the mother, why are you removing all my clothes from the cupboard? Anjali, she asked. It was like sounding like she was ready to fight with her mother, means that type of voice was there. So mother replied, you already know Anjali, Dada and Dadi means grandmother and grandfather are going to need some place for keeping their things. Her mother replied firmly, means easily. But Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Cried Anjali. See Anjali what she asked? Ma, where will my things go? Where I should keep my things? See, this room has been since when I was a baby. From that time onwards, this room was mine. Then why should I go from my room? Why should I vacate my room? And why should I give up everything? Just Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? See, this type of questions she asked her mother and she cried. Come on, Anju. See, for Anjali, her mother called Anju. You are not giving up everything. You are only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead of in this room. See what the mother says. Anju, you are not giving up everything. You are not going to lose everything. Just because your Dada and Dadi are coming. So you are vacating your room. You are giving your room to them. Instead of sleeping on a bed, you will sleep on a couch. Couch means sofa. A long comfortable seat, that is sofa. In a living room will keep. And your things can be accommodated elsewhere. See, your things will be accommodated means kept other of the room. Replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with her daughter's endless objection. See, this type she has replied. She was trying to be sensitive, means normally she wanted to behave, but feeling rather exasperated, means irritated. Why she was irritated here, mother was? Because of her daughter questions, means objections, means she was not ending the objection. She was not ending her conversation with the mother. This is how it had been ever since Anjali had been told that her grandparents would be living with them from now on. See, this is how, this type, the law, what we have studied, no? That type the mother has explained that the now onwards, from today onwards, the recently means the grandparents are going to live with here, means going to live with them. They had recently sold off all their lands in the little village where they had lived most of their life. See, the grandparents means the Dada and Dadi lived in a village. They have sold all their things there. Means whatever the lands were there, house were there, everything they have sold, and finally they are going to come and live with the Anjali's parents, where they had a little most of their life. They had their life there. Dada was nudging 70 now and was too old to be able to run the farm all by himself. See, Dada was nudging means just pushing to 70 now, 70 years old, just about to, and unable to hold all the farms, able to run the farms by himself. He had promised he would not leave his beloved land till he dies. See what the Dada has promised, that he is not going to leave his land until he dies there. But he was unable to run, so he left. But he was finding it more and more difficult to live there alone. See what he was finding more and more difficult to live there because he was alone. He was unable to run the farm and look after everything, so he was feeling difficulty there. All his children had migrated to cities. See, first they used to live in a village. When the children grown up, means they have completed their study, they have come to the migrated means moving from place to place, means moved from a place. They moved from a village to a cities. Two of Anjali's chachajis means uncles, means fathers, brothers, were abroad. See, two chachajis were in abroad, means in a foreign country. Only Papa lived in Pune, means Anjali's father lived in a Pune, while Rita Bua was in Delhi. See, Rita Bua. Bua means here father's sister. Father's sister is called as a Bua. Was in Delhi. Dada had been persuaded by Anjali's father to come and live with them. Means persuaded means asked here, urged that. Means pleaded, come and live with us. Papa wanted all of them to be together as a joint family. Papa means who here? Anjali's father was a Papa. Here he wanted all of them should be staying in one house as a joint family. He could then take care of his aging parents. See, if they are with them, the father of Anjali can take care of his parents, that Anjali's grandfather and grandmother. So let us see what happened next. Of course, Anjali enjoyed meeting her grandparents. See, Anjali enjoyed here meeting her grandparents during her holiday. See, every holiday she used to go for the village and she used to enjoy. But now she is not, she was not happy to be their grandparents in her house. Why? Because she has to give her room to their grandparents. But that did not mean she was going to be happy giving her room for them. See, she was not happy just to give her room. Anjali was an only child. See, Anjali was only daughter for their parents. Never in her life had she liked sharing anything, and she wasn't ready to change now. See, if a only child, they don't know how to share with their brothers and sisters because she is only alone there, the kid of their parents. So she don't know how to share and how to give something to their brother sister. And so wasn't ready to change. And she was not ready to change also. And so it was that when her grandparents came, Anjali was fussy. See, when the grandparents came, Anjali was fussy, means difficultly she was feeling and difficult to please that, to give her room. Irritating and brattish worst. See, irritating also she was, and she was a brattish means badly behaved child. She was behaving like she was a bad child. She made a big hue and cry over how she had lost her room. See how she just made a cry, loud cry, and she was just stubborn and she was irritating the parents and badly behaved child because she lost her room because of Dada and Dadi came there. When she wasn't making rude comments, she would not talk much and pretended to be glued to her favorite program on the TV. See, she would not talk too much with the grandparents. She was making too rude comment, means just she was making to be a rude. She was not a rude child, but she lost her room, so she was behaving like a rude child. So what she has done there? She was just keeping on the TV and just watching her favorite program. She was glued for that, means just sticked for that. She was not very polite. Even though she was not polite also, and complained, though not directly. She was afraid of her father's wrath. See, she was afraid of her father, means father's anger. His father was very angry, so she was afraid of that. Here children, I'll stop this half lesson. In my next video, I'll send you the half explanation of this lesson.